Start.
Sunbeam School Annapurna Varanasi presents
The Saga of Shah Jahan.
I thought the king had more affection for all his children.
It did always seem to us, but now in the division of the kingdom, it appears not which of the children he values the most. Fair equalities are so weighted that curiosity in rather can make choice of either most.
The king is coming.
Badab, Bamlaisa, Shah Jahan, the king of Hindustan is coming.
Attend all the nobles, dignitaries and friends of neighboring countries. Meanwhile, I shall express a darker purpose. 'Tis our fast intent to shake all the cares and business from our age, conferring them on younger strength. While we onward crawl towards death, we have desire a constant will to publish our daughters and sons several dowers, that future strife can be prevented now. Tell me, my daughters, Roshnara and Jahara, which of you shall we say dot lovers most? Roshnara, my eldest one, speak first.
Japana, I love you more than the words can well the matter, dearer than eyesight, space and liberty. Beyond what can be valued, rich or rare, no less than life with grace, health, beauty, honor, as much as child ever loved his father found. A love that makes breath poor and speech unable. Beyond all manner of so much, I love you.
And what about you, Nara?
It is thee. I have honored my royal king, loved you as my master, as my father, and followed my great passions taught like a prayer.
This makes me happy. What says our second daughter, my dear Jahara?
Nothing, Japana.
Nothing? Nothing will come out of nothing.
I'm happy that I am. I cannot leave my heart into my mouth. I love you, Majesty, according to my bond, nor more nor less.
Now, Jahara, may I speak a little, lest it may mar your fortune.
Good, Japana. You have begot me, bred me, loved me. I return those duties back as a right fit. Obey you, love you, and honor you.
So untender.
So true time, love.
Let it be so. Thy truth, then be thy dower. Here I disclaim all my paternal care, propinquity and property of blood. A stranger to my hard blood and thee.
No! No, Japana!
Come not between the dragon and his wrath. I am so saddened. I loved her the most, and this is what she gives me. Oh, she should avoid my sight. I thought to set my rest, my country on her shoulders.
Freedom lives, and banishment is here. Honesty, 'tis strange.
Great.